Hello everyone, welcome to Pretty Simple Living. My today's topic is how to make kids eat breakfast. Most of the mothers like me has a complaint that their kids are not eating properly their breakfast like that. So today I came up with some ideas how to present our regular breakfast in an attractive manner so that kids will be uh, happy to eat and they will enjoy this one, and at the time of eating they will learn something. So I came up with some ideas. Let's start our session. My first breakfast idea is with dosa batter. This one I got it from Dollar Tree. This is used for cake decoration. If you don't have this one, you can use Ziploc cover. So here I am filling this one with the dosa batter. So here I am tying this one with the elastic band. Next, I am going to grease the griddle with the ghee. I prefer to give ghee only to the kids instead of oil. So here I draw ABC 1, 2, 3 and shapes, flowers, butterfly. So you can show your creativity here. So I am putting some more ghee on top of that. So at the time of eating, they will learn also. It's a fun way of learning. I'm turning them. So here I am preparing one more batch, like some tree and birds. Sorry about that, I am not at all good at drawing. If you draw their name so that they will learn the spelling for their names. So here I am drawing my daughter's name. Here I am putting some more ghee on top of that. I'm turning them. Ta-da! Here is my plate for presentation. My daughter likes it. My second breakfast idea is idlis. So this plate I got it from India. This is mini idlis plate. So here I am greasing this one with the ghee. So already I did a video on same batter for both idlis and dosas. If you want, you can check it out. I will leave a link in the description box. So here I am filling mini idli plate with the batter with the help of a spoon. Most of the kids like the small idlis. They will enjoy while eating. So here I am putting this one on regular idli stand. Already I boiled some water. So I am keeping this one inside it. Let it cook for 5 minutes. It doesn't take much time, just 5 minutes is enough. So I am taking out these idlis. Already my sambar is ready. So I'm going to put these mini idlis into sambar bowl. So our idli sambar is ready with mini idlis. You can give this mini idlis with peanut chutney also. And my third breakfast idea is chapati. How to present chapati in an attractive manner. So this is regular chapati dough only. Here I am rolling it. Once it is done, I am going to cut this chapati with the cookie cutters. So these cookie cutters I got it from India. I think I bought those cutters from Big Bazaar. So I am going to cut this chapati into fun shapes like star, heart, drop, diamond, like that. I am done with cutting. I am greasing pan with the ghee. So I am placing all those chapatis on a pan. I am greasing little more ghee on top of them. So I am turning them with a spoon. I am done with frying. So I am going to plate these chapatis in an attractive manner. You can give them with tomato ketchup. So these are my breakfast ideas. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Please stay connected. Thank you.